Are you looking for the best DDR5 RAM? In this video we will look at some of the best DDR5 RAM. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. G.Skill Trident Z5 RGB DDR5-6000C36. The G.Skill Trident performs even better than what is advertised. This premium memory kit uses the Samsung B die to achieve the best timings you'll ever encounter. It has a 1.30V in timings of 36-36-36-76, 2T. Whether you want it for gaming, work, or overclocking, this RAM's got you covered. The only part you need to know is that this piece is quite expensive. This is the kind of luxury you can be proud of showing off to your friends. A memory like this alone will give your rig the status and performance upgrade you only see in pro-end users. Other than performance, it's a good-looking kit, coming in both black and silver finishes with RGB lighting. It's futuristic, fast, and beautiful. If you have the money and the need, the G.Skill Trident is the absolute best DDR5 RAM you can buy. Number 2. Crucial RAM 64GB Kit, 2x32GB, DDR5 4800 MHz. We've already determined that between 16GB to 32GB of RAM is the sweet spot for PC gamers. However, there are some people that can't live with this and just need 64GB RAM, whether for their job, gaming requirements, or just because they can. With the rise of DDR5 RAM and new-gen motherboards, 64GB kits are becoming less and less available and more expensive. The crucial DDR5-4800CL40 is the best RAM if you're looking for 64GB of memory. The tight timings and dual-rank design help this piece achieve better frequencies than you might expect. In the benchmark, we checked the crucial CL40 through some surprises, getting even closer than expected to the 5200 MHz bar. This is the perfect RAM if you're just looking for a high memory to play and work, one that won't change for a long time. 64GB at this price can't be found every day. Number 3. Kingston Fury Beast 32GB DDR5-6000C40. Kingston is an old classic in the world of memory RAM kits. It has built a name for itself and has backed up its fame with experience and great performance. The Kingston Fury Beast is a great-looking and strong DDR5 RAM kit suitable for practically any PC enthusiast. The 6000 MHz is an envious speed to achieve, and this RAM does it with great timing, 38-38-80. The piece comes with RGB shrouds on top that you can light up with the color of your choice. This gives you not only top-notch performance but a nice touch to the overall setup. If you're a gamer or a content creator, Kingston has made this stick for you. In all the various benchmarks performed, the kit runs perfectly. It can be found in 8GB, 16GB, 32GB, or 64GB, but the 32GB edition is one of the best price-performance balanced pieces we could find.